Okay, today we're going to be showing you how to take care of your Christmas poinsettia bush. If it's becoming a little bit ragged looking since Christmas, we're going to show you what to do to completely revitalize your plant. Okay, now the first thing we're going to do is see what's good on it and what is not. When leaves start to turn off red, that's all right, that's not a problem. But when we come around to this side, you'll see an overlapping leaf, which is not good for when it's in the sun. So we'll start by taking that one off, the one that's underneath. We'll put that down there. Then here you can see this one is getting a little wilted. See how it's curling over? Perhaps not watered correctly. So we're going to take that one off. And then as we come around here, you'll see there's another leaf. The green will turn red eventually, but it's not red right now. Here's another one. You'll see each place we cut the plant, we start to have seepage of the poison. Yes, poinsettias are poison. Do not lick the seepage. Now here's a limb or a branch that is not producing. So we're going to cut that off right down here. And watch where that juice flies because it is poisonous. Don't get it on any of your food. Now this one is all right, but we're going to take that off because it's underneath. And then as we come around here, you're going to see this one. This one's underneath, so we're going to take that off also. Put that down there. Here's a branch. If you can see this branch here, it is doing absolutely nothing. Actually, that should have been trimmed off in the beginning because it's down at the Y. So you don't want that. Now this one, there's only one leaf left on that, so we're going to take that one off right there. Then as you can see, this branch is not doing anything. So we're going to take that branch off. Now up here, if you can see this little one up here, we're going to take that off. And this green one, we're going to take that one off. Then as we come around here, you'll see this green one down at the bottom. We're going to take that off. And this one here, that looks pretty good, but we're going to take that off so that we can feed the plant properly. And then that stem is completely devoid, so we'll take that off. Now up here, I don't know if you can see, but here's a leaf. We're going to take that off. Now right there, you see this leaf here. That at this time will not develop properly. So we're going to take that limb off. And that's about it. It's dead.